a Dash 51 soundboard with Leon's test ROM. The program is running, and I'm going to probe pin 15 as Leon does. That shows you that the control LED is operating. And now if I can press the test button, you'll hear a momentarily pause in the heartbeat, and then it comes back, and pin 15 is once again pulsing. This is also testing pins 2 through 17, I believe, on this PIA. Let me hop up to 17. 17. 18 does nothing, it's not connected, but 2 through 17 will be pulsing just like this. And once again, when you press this button, the heartbeat, turn that up a little bit. We'll pause and then resume.